Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to tell you about a new website by which you can earn much profit. So do watch my video from beginning to end so you don't miss any information that is necessary to know, and do subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any video that I'm going to post in the future. So let's begin. Today I'm going to tell you about Aperise run by an experienced community. So hello Ape Army, after having a good moon and Mars in NFTs of ETH and Solana blockchain, now Ape comes into BSC and we are happy to announce that we are launching a token with good tokenomics and good marketing strategy. Our team is experienced in all blockchain. We have auto burning, buyback and marketing in our tokenomics, so Apes, be ready for a long moon ride. So there must be a question that why would you trust Aperise? So I'll tell you why. Hello apes, don't miss this because we are coming with many things like our own pre-sale launchpad that offers ICO for the coin in future. We have insane marketing as we mentioned in our roadmap, and superb tokenomics with limited supply and quarterly burn for 1 year. Tokenomics. Project name Aperise. Token symbol Arise. Total supply 1 billion. Burn 5% QTR. Distribution airdrop 1%. Pre-sale 19%. Public sale. Public launch 50%. Other total burn in 1 year 20%. Marketing 5%. Donation and charity 5%. So right now I'm having 0 BNB. 1 BNB is equal to 1 Arise, which is Ape token. So you can connect to the wallet by simply clicking this connect wallet button. Referral program, share your referral link or QR code and get commission for referred token purchasing instantly to your wallet. So I'll tell you that I'm gonna tell you that what this means. So if you share this site with somebody else and they invest in this or they take part in this, you're gonna have the commission. So do refer this to all the people. Do share this video as much as you can, and do share this link as much as you can. So total paid to refers right now is 0 BNB. Referral commission will be 10%. You'll get 10% of the referral commission. Your referral earnings will be is 0 BNB right now. Refer by none. You can simply copying link and refer it to someone. Roadmap phase 1: develop and deploy website, social community engagement, pre-sale, PancakeSwap launching, 5,000 Telegram members. Phase 2: CMC, CoinGecko, Blockfolio and others listed, influencers, marketing push, listing on Indian exchanges, WazirX, CoinGCX, celebrity endorsements, get to 10,000 holders in 10,000 DG plus Twitter community, expand to new exchanges. Phase 3: brand ambassador hiring, brand poster on highways and malls. Development of site is a pre-sale launchpad on blockchain creation, mobile app launch. As you can see, it is gonna be a huge app, a huge site. So here are some social sites given here. The first is the Twitter site, and the other one is Telegram. You can simply reach these sites by clicking these from the link in the description. So this is how the Aperise BSC Twitter account looks like. You can see this simply when you'll reach this. So Ape with a mission, hyperdeflation with auto rewards, HODL, pet, love and be an ape. So 19% pre-sale, 20% total burn in year, 5% marketing fee, 5% charity, 50% public launch, anti-bots, anti-whale. You can simply reach their Twitter account from the link in the description. So moving back, now I'll show you the Telegram. So this is the Telegram account of Aperise, where you can join chat and simply chat with the people here. You can chat with the owner and whoever you want to chat with. Now moving back, so that was it for today's video. We got some information from my video, so do subscribe to my channel and share this video as much as you can. Like, share, subscribe. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, goodbye, take care of yourselves.